tea. This is Tony. Hey, Tony. Are you hungry, baby? Huh? Yes? Are you hungry? You ready for supper? Huh? All right. What is T gonna eat today? Oh, supper time. Here we go. You want fish or turkey? How about some turkey? Huh? That you want turkey? Okay. All right. We'll have turkey. All right. This is Ming's dinner. Can of indoor homemade turkey dinner made by Purina Frieskie. See? Oh, it looks delicious already. See, tea? Oh, yes. Here you go, baby. Tony loves the dinner. See, Tony? Tony's happy. Got his tail up. Tony. Here you go. Tony. See? Tony liking it. You're looking at Tony, my 7-month-old cat. He is eating his supper. A homemade turkey medley made by Purina Frieskie. He loves it. Enjoy your dinner, Tony. See you next time.